segment is sponsored by Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom.
With the weekend around the corner, you know there's one way to turn a Saturday into something amazing, and that is to make a Super Saturday sale. And that's what's happening here at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. So take notes. This is what you want to pay attention to as you go shopping for appliances this weekend. Good to have you back, Adam.
Thanks for having me.
So for people that haven't shopped at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom before, what are the main reasons why they should?
Well, we've got a staff of highly trained, dedicated salespeople here. We are very proud of our 4.6 Google review on that. A lot of the big box stores can't say that.
Yeah.
Here when you shop with us, you have an individual salesperson that works with you from start to finish to make sure that you have the best buying experience you possibly can.
And in addition to a great buying experience, what makes a lot of people happy are the savings here. How do you guys get the prices so low?
Well, we buy in bulk from the manufacturers. We do have a large selection of in-box units as well as open box or like scratch and dent stuff as well too. So we buy those at a huge buy those in bulk at a huge discount and pass the savings along.
That's great for the consumer. So let's talk about the savings for this Super Saturday sale. What can people expect?
So we've got brands on sale like Viking, KitchenAid, LG, GE, up to 40% off for that. We've got some awesome specials going on. Some of the open box stuff as well too.
Let's walk through them. So right over here, you got the Samsung French door refrigerator. How much money can people save on this specifically?
You're gonna save $400 on this particular refrigerator on this Saturday. It's normally priced at $18.99. We're knocking $400 off this open box special, bringing it down to $14.99.
Fantastic. And as far as the laundry room goes, you guys always have savings there. What are you featuring today?
So for our Super Saturday special, we're doing this front load Samsung 4.5 cubic foot capacity washer with the LG 3700 dryer on here with the sensor dry. It's also steam capable as well, so help with essentially getting your clothes nice and wrinkle free.
Look at all the options on that. Man, that's high tech right there. And I'm seeing a $600 savings on that alone.
Mm-hmm. So we've got the pair for $1,098. Wow. This set would normally go for $1,698.
That is great.
Price, so.
And you know, it's never a bad time to come out here and look for a mattress. I know my wife and I are looking for one. What can people expect in that area?
So we're one of the only places where you're going to be able to see this Dream Cloud luxury hybrid on a rest test here. So this one we're going to have for $799, $100 off this mattress for our Super Saturday sale. Plus you can upgrade your sleep for just $199 and get an adjustable base that's coming with that too.
Nice.
Then if you want to go with a more traditional mattress, we've got the Sealy Evident mattress here. This one's going to be $699 for our Super Saturday sale. Normally priced at $999. So
oh my gosh, the
incredible
savings don't stop. And you're hearing brands like Dream Cloud, LG, Samsung. These aren't the only brands that you carry. You carry other appliances and other brands as well, correct?
Absolutely. We carry every major manufacturer. We have brands like Bosch in stock, ready to roll out today. These are super tech heavy, really sleek looking pieces. Plus we have their French door refrigerators in stock, ready to roll out today.
And that's a big question people have is, you know, what appliances do you have in stock? And you do have these Bosch in stock now.
Correct, yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Now, you know, we've always talked refrigerators, we talk mattresses, the laundry room. Spring's here, the weather's warming up. Do you guys carry AC units too?
We actually have a ton of AC units that are going to be coming in, and they'll be on special to help you get ready for the hot summer days that are coming up.
Fantastic.
Get it now before they sell out.
Oh, absolutely. So people want to make sure they come out this Saturday for the Super Saturday sale. What hours are you open and where are you located?
We're open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m., Monday through Thursday. On Friday, we're open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Saturday is going to be 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. and then Sunday from 11 to 6.
Nice. Well, Adam, thank you for letting us come out here and feature the specials. You guys always have great deals for our Marketplace viewers.
Thanks for coming out, Cameron.
So make sure you don't miss the Super Saturday sale happening this weekend at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. It's located on Sawmill Road, just south of 270.